The intersection of AI and privacy is a critical issue in today's digital age. AI technologies have the capability to collect, analyze, and interpret vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about surveillance and privacy. D. Surveillance and data collection. AI-powered systems are used in various surveillance applications, from monitoring public spaces with cameras and facial recognition technology to tracking online activities and behaviors. Governments, law enforcement agencies, and private companies often use these technologies to enhance security, prevent crime, and improve services. For instance, facial recognition can help identify suspects in criminal investigations, and AI algorithms can analyze social media for signs of potential threats, or privacy concerns. The widespread use of AI in surveillance raises significant privacy concerns. Individuals' movements, behaviors, and interactions can be continuously monitored, leading to a loss of anonymity and autonomy. The data collected by AI systems can be used to build detailed profiles of individuals, which can then be exploited for various purposes, including targeted advertising, social engineering, and even political manipulation. The potential for misuse of personal data is a significant concern, especially if it falls into the wrong hands or is used without proper consent. Regulations and ethical guidelines. To address these concerns, there is a growing need for robust regulations and ethical guidelines governing the use of AI in surveillance. Governments and international bodies are working to develop legal frameworks that protect individuals' privacy while allowing the responsible use of AI technologies. For example, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, sets stringent rules for data collection, storage, and processing, ensuring that individuals have control over their personal information. Transparency and accountability are key principles in these regulations, requiring organizations to disclose how they use AI and ensure that their practices comply with ethical standards. Balancing security and privacy. Striking a balance between security and privacy is a complex challenge. While AI can enhance public safety and security, it is essential to implement safeguards that protect individuals' rights and freedoms. This includes limiting the scope of surveillance, ensuring data minimization, and implementing robust security measures to prevent unauthorized access and misuse of data. Public awareness and informed consent are also crucial, empowering individuals to make informed choices about their data. Future directions. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is imperative to keep privacy considerations at the forefront. Ongoing research and development are focused on creating AI systems that are privacy-preserving by design. Techniques such as differential privacy, federated learning, and anonymization aim to protect individuals' data while still enabling the benefits of AI. Additionally, fostering a culture of ethical AI development and promoting collaboration between stakeholders, including governments, industry, and civil society, will be essential to ensuring that AI technologies are used responsibly and transparently. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to enhance security and provide valuable insights, it also poses significant privacy challenges. By implementing robust regulations, ethical guidelines, and privacy-preserving technologies, we can navigate the complexities of AI and privacy, ensuring that individuals' rights are protected while harnessing the benefits of AI. As we move forward, it will be crucial to maintain a vigilant and proactive approach to addressing these issues and fostering a digital environment that respects and upholds privacy,